All right, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite weekday breakfasts. We're gonna do some overnight oats. So I use coconut milk, not the canned coconut milk, but like the kind that you can buy in a half-gallon size. It has, as you can kind of see, it's actually a little bit thicker than like a skim milk or something like that. So it's nice because it gives it some body. I've got my big old gallon of honey. We're gonna put in about 1/3 of a cup. I'll break this down for a smaller portion, but I am cooking for some clients as well. So I did 4 cups of the coconut milk to 1/3 of a cup of honey. You can adjust this if you like it more sweet, less sweet, no sweet at all. But since this is going to be a chai flavored overnight oats, I figured the honey goes well with a cup of tea. So we're gonna whisk that together. I'm gonna add in some vanilla. Then I have my spice blend. So for chai, we have cinnamon, ground ginger, some ground nutmeg, and cardamom. And also a little bit of black pepper. So that's traditional in chai. We don't want maybe quite as much of that in our breakfast, but just a little bit. All right, and we are ready to add in our oats. All right, so we're doing 4 to 4.5 cups of rolled old-fashioned oats. I love the texture of these. I think we'll stick with about 4. That gives enough liquid to be absorbed. And then we'll get it into our container. It goes in the fridge overnight and ready to eat.